Well, I'd love to hear more about the role that those community partnerships play in developing your career ed programs, but hold that thought because I want to first ask the question I think is on everybody's mind when you think of these career ed programs with your schools. And let's do that by talking about your school's career education curriculum generally. And in particular, let's answer the question that's on all of our minds right now. How is your school able to provide career education in high touch trades such as carpentry and wood shop through a fully online delivery model?
Yeah, I have to give all credit to Maplewood Shops. They were the ones that helped in our brainstorming with Mike Schloff, the owner, CEO of Maplewood Shops. Just we met just constantly, um, but we figured it out right away because he had kits ready to go that he was taking into brick and mortar schools and doing programs. And as a STEM charter school, we were already sending STEM kits to our students. So it wasn't foreign to me. And I said, Mike, why don't we just send kits? And so our students get hand tools, no power tools. So that's key. They also get a workbench and we send them the lumber. This all comes from Maplewood Shops. They send it to each student's home that's enrolled in the program, and they're doing it right in their house. The workbench is key so that dining room tables don't get destroyed.
That strikes me as one of those things that maybe we learned with experience.
Yeah.
The first time one of the students just like cuts through their table, like maybe we better get these kids some workbenches. That's
Yeah.
so cool though. So even though this is an online program, they're not just looking at YouTube videos of, this kind of carpentry getting done. These kids actually get to work with the tools at home. So there is a real physical element, even though the education itself is technically happening online.
Absolutely, absolutely. And that I think that was the key was to find a way. And I just needed to make sure I found a way and did what was right by students. And no, being in online education for over 10 years, um, we should be limitless in what we can do. We're supposed to be the ones that are bringing innovation to education, and the, this is it. And it's easy, right? And to get these hands-on experiences for the kids was, I mean, that was the easy part. I think the hard part was figuring out if parents were okay with how much wood do we send? How much lumber do we send to the house? Because I could just imagine a parent seeing a flatbed truck pull up and there's like life size. It's like, what do you want our kid to build? Well, really, we want them to build a shed for you. And I'm sure all of the fathers and grandfathers that are caretakers and learning coaches would have been fine with that. But we said we'll start small. We'll do birdhouses and bookshelves and things like that. But that actually lends itself to some of the service learning that we're wrapping into the program. My teacher Wyatt Anderson. And we got together with Mike, and we're already talking Habitat for Humanity partnership. But there's going to be a community building service learning aspect. Do we go to, homes in the communities that our students are living in and say, you know what, this wall needs to be repaired, or this porch is in shambles. Our students are going to repair that as a project. Connect with those in the community. Is there a way? There's got to be a way. We're going to find a way.